Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Fabric for Unified Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Fabric for Unified Analytics, begin by logging into your Microsoft Azure account. Navigate to the Azure Portal dashboard. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Fabric and select it from the drop-down options. Once on the Microsoft Fabric page, click on the Create button to start a new instance. Select the appropriate subscription under which you want to create the Fabric instance. Next, choose a resource group to associate with your Fabric instance. If needed, you can create a new resource group by clicking on Create New. Proceed to enter a name for your Microsoft Fabric instance. Make sure the name is unique within your selected Azure subscription. Next, select the region where you want your Microsoft Fabric instance to be located. Choose a region that best meets your data compliance and latency requirements. Review the pricing tier options available for Microsoft Fabric. Select a pricing tier that aligns with your budget and usage needs. After configuring the basic settings, click on Next to access the Networking tab. Here, you can set up networking options, including public access and virtual network integration. Adjust the settings based on your organization's networking requirements. Once you've configured networking, click on Next to go to the Review plus Create tab. Review all the entered information for accuracy. If everything looks good, click on the Create button to finalize the activation process. Wait a few moments as Azure deploys your Microsoft Fabric instance. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a notification indicating the success of the activation. To access Microsoft Fabric, return to the Azure dashboard and find your newly created instance. Click on it to open the Microsoft Fabric workspace for Unified Analytics. Here, you can begin configuring your analytics projects and data pipelines. Start by adding data sources to your workspace for integrated analytics. Utilize the built-in tools to create dashboards and reports that meet your needs. Explore different features and capabilities of Microsoft Fabric to maximize your analytics. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Microsoft Fabric for Unified Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.